this foot and bring it towards the center of the other foot. Correct. The arch. Squeeze the legs together, no space. Hold that squeeze and gently bend a tad. 90% of your weight is on your back leg. Give me a high heel shoe. No broken ankles out, only ankles in. Squeeze your inner thigh. Tuck, lift, roll, arms, sit. Lift, drop. Tighten, punch. Tighten, punch. Just a little faster. Drop, drop. Portia, how do you get it strong? How do you get it so sharp? What do you squeeze? Your glute. This one. Boom. But it's not just from here. You have to connect here with your psoas muscles, your obliques. Punch, 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 and hold. Other side. Slide, squeeze, plie. Everything close. High heel shoe. Imagine you have a mermaid skirt. Was this a mermaid skirt? Gonna wear her like this? No, mermaid. Tuck, lift, and roll, balance, sit. Starting with lift, punch down. Lift, punch down. Quiet, loud. Nothing, boom. Just a little faster, please. Lift, drop, down. And try to keep that upper body from doing the little Barbie belly dance. Yeah. Try to keep the upper body not moving, meaning you could have a book on your head, glass of wine, margarita, you know, and it wouldn't fall off. 4, 3, 2, and rest. Other side. Shake it out for a sec. If you're doing it right, you feel it here and here, okay? Other side, heels, boom, slide, squeeze, sit, high heel, tuck, lift, roll arms up, and sit. We go. Drop, drop, drop. I'm going right up to tempo. We're reviewing. Dance from here, not from here. See the difference? This is my front. This is my side. Psoas muscles, obliques, quadratus lumborum. Last. 4, 3, 2, other side. Boom. Should feel your heart going up, yeah? Squeeze. 1, high heel tuck, lift the chest, roll arms, sit. Why sit? Everybody straighten your back leg. Squeeze the legs together, Miss Vivian. Together. Squeeze the legs together. All the way. You can turn that foot forward. Yep. Now, straighten your back leg and give me a hip drop. Look what happens. You can't do it and it looks bad and it hurts. Back leg bent. Let's go, let's go. Drop, 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 drop. There you go. Keep going. Hip drop. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and shimmy. Nice straight leg. Good. That was it, Vivian. You got it. Just showing a little cutie. First day in, she's getting used and abused, this poor girl. Vivian, are you ever going to come back? We don't know. We don't know. She did all these moves. She's never belly danced before. You can't see her, but she's so cute. All right, listen, shake it out. There's more where that came from. Heels, slide, squeeze, everything together. This foot faces 12 o'clock. Does not turn out. The foot faces 12 o'clock. We bend, we touch, we tuck, lift, roll, balance, sit, twist, twist. Okay, what? Remember this from last week? We started this last week, the crescent hip drop. Now what we want to do is gently twist the pelvis. You know, like doing the twist? Did the mash. She did the monster mash. Remember that little twist? That's all you're doing. But try not to do this. Look. Everything closed. Lift, drop, lift, drop. What? Lift, drop, lift, drop. Engage the obliques. Draw a half circle or a rainbow on the wall in front of you. Boom. Drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Twist, front, back, other side, we change. We're getting serious business here. Squeeze, bend, touch, tuck, lift, roll, arms, and sit. Start with twist, twist. So I'm super adamant about breaking down things and exploring them and understanding posture and what muscles and bones we should be moving. Because if I can teach you the basics and you learn them, then you can go read and write. Then you can go dance, right? Like your kindergarten teacher going to teach you the ABCs. You can read and write. That's my goal. And lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. If you're a visual learner, imagine a pen right here on your hip, drawing a half circle or a rainbow. Now this is going to want to happen, but you have to teach your body, let the hips speak, even if it's smaller. 3, 2, straight leg shimmy. Wow, thighs of steel happening right now. Inhale, shake out the thighs, exhale. Again, inhale. Beautiful. We'll go back to it. New move. New move. Heels kiss. Slide. Squeeze. Hip drops with a kick. Bend. High heel shoe. Tuck. Lift. Roll. Arm. Sit. Grip the floor. Point the toe. Grip the floor. Point the toe. Grip the floor. Straighten the leg. Grip the floor. Straighten. Grip it. Kick. Grip it. Extension. Bend. Extend. Balance with your arms. Touch. Kick. Other side. Change. Heels. Boom. Other side. Squeeze. Releve, tuck, lift, roll. Grip that floor and we grip, we straighten. Show me the top of your foot, not the side of your foot. Show me the camera, the mirror, the computer, right? The top of your foot. I want a nice line. Boom. Here's 4, 3, 2, and rest. We're going to go faster, and we're going to add a hip drop. Super important. Arms are your balance. Let's explore that, because now we have balance coming into play. Squeeze. Bend. High heel. Tuck. Lift, roll. Remember, this foot faces 12 o'clock. Yep. Sit. Give me. Touch. Kick. Touch. Notice how your arms balance for you. Because once you lift that foot, you're standing on one leg. All right? Add the hip drop. Check me out. Lift, drop. Lift, drop. Lift, drop. Lift, drop. Lift, drop. Lift, drop. Drop and slide. Drop, drop, kick. Last time, change. Nice. I can't tell you how long it took me to learn this one. When I was a beginner, oh no, my teacher just did stuff. We had to like just follow along. If we could. No, I want you to know it from the inside out. All right, other side. Bend, tuck, lift, roll, and we touch, we kick. And it's not a kick, but I call it a hip drop with a kick because it's easier to say. But it's more of an extension. Drop, drop, extend. Drop, drop, extend. It's too hard. Drop, kick. That's why I say kick. Kick. Drop and brush. Drop. Val's schooling me. I love Val. Drop. It's true. Brush. Drop and brush. Other side. Stay. Slide. Strike. Ballet says strike. Oh gosh. Brush from jazz. Strike from ballet. Kick from the layman's person. I say it's a kick. All right, you ready to go faster? Brush, kick, crush, karate chop, whatever you want. Elaine from Seinfeld. All right, let's do it up to tempo. Now it's going to get serious. Ready? Squeeze, slide, lift, bend, touch, tuck, lift, roll, arms, sit. Touch, kick, touch, kick, touch, kick. Add the drop, drop, kick, drop, brush, drop, strike, drop, Elaine, drop, 1, 1, 2. I don't know. Here's 4, 3, 2, and change. Bravo. Other side. Yeah. Yeah. We're almost done with these. Don't kill me. I know it's a lot. We're going to move on in just a second. Position, touch, kick. Remember the top of your foot, drop, add those hips, drop, kick. Don't sacrifice the drop for the kick, for the slide. So I don't want this. No, I want drop, and shimmy. Leave them alone. We'll see them again next week. Leave them alone. File them away for right now. Inhale, exhale. Hip drops and hip drops with a kick. Crescent hip drops. We'll do them more later next week. Shake it out. Yeah?